guys, Brian back here. Today I'm going to be unboxing 3 new Jurassic World dino trackers. So here is one. Here's the Boreopelta, the Dacosaurus, and the Suanosaurus. All are danger packs, and the Jurassic World logo. All of them have the Jurassic World logo with the blue and beta and the name, danger pack, tail, and the figure is also there too. On the back shows all the dinosaurs. There's 2 of them that have this one right here, and one of them, the Suanosaurus, this guy, has the ones that have the Pazanacosaurus, Nothosaurus, Tupendactylus, and of course Suanosaurus. But these 2, the Dacosaurus one and the Boreopelta, have the Dacosaurus, Pyroraptor, Suanosaurus, and Boreopelta, which is interesting. But let's go start with the Suanosaurus. This is a mountain biome one. This looks really cool. Let's go and get this guy out because it's awesome. Really confident about this thing. It is lodged, but here it is. So the Suanosaurus has pretty much mostly a nice gray color, but it's also brown with some black, and the jaw with the nice pink and the yellow eye articulation. Of course, you saw the jaw open and close, the neck moving up, down, the arms. I love the detail with the feathers, and here's a legs movement. Of course, tail. Nice looking scan code. Here's a scan code. You can scan it. Logo right here. Next up is the Boreopelta, a desert one. This is a herbivore, the only one that's an herbivore here. 2 of the lines are like pretty much stay there. So Boreopelta is a herbivore, has really good armor, and it's not a club, it's just spikes. It uses these, I'm pretty sure it uses these spikes to charge at the whatever it's gonna charge, like that. Also, the articulation. So yeah, the head actually moves. And look at the face. It's very small. All the legs move. They can't go outward. These legs can't go outward, but they do move like this. Same thing with the front too. Yeah, and the tail. Oh, it's really hard, but it is awesome. Scan code. It is really cool. But here's my favorite, the Dacosaurus, because it is a aquatic creature. It is from like the shore. Now Dacosaurus is the one I'm most anticipated. And boop, Dacosaurus. He looks awesome. He is a mixture of nice blue colored, and a whitish gray with stripes. Nice looking tail with the down giraffes. I'm not sure. Tail rotates. And here's the neck movement. Looks interesting. The jaw opens. I like the teeth. And the flippers move. The fins. And you can't move them outwards, which pretty much is the only ocean creature in the ocean one that does not have its flippers go like in, like it goes like downwards, or it's like, it looks awesome though. Out of all of these, I love Dacosaurus, followed by Boreopelta because it's a herbivore, and the Suanosaurus. This kind of looks bland, but they're awesome. They're all are awesome. Oh, forgot to show the scan code of Dacosaurus. Looks really awesome. Which one's your favorite out of all these three? I already said mine is Dacosaurus. And it just looks cool. Anyway, that is all of the dinosaurs I have. Stay tuned for more. Pretty much like and subscribe. And also, so just saying, just a couple weeks has passed, but I just hit 200 subscribers, so thank you for those. I'll tell you the next video. I'm gonna tell you the next goal, not this video. The next video, I'm gonna tell you what's my next goal. But for now, stay tuned for the next video, and I'll tell you what it is. And see you next time. Bye.